Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share my experimental cooking with you guys. So today I'm going to share the recipe of Bhindi Masala. This is my own way. I didn't search it in any YouTube or in Google. So I'm making in my own way. So I thought I can share this recipe with you guys. I can't able to give the name for this sabji, so because it's the experimental cooking. So let's start. So for this recipe what you need, here I sliced the bindi in the in the middle. So I'm take a pan, add some oil. So I'm going to keep all this bindi in the frying pan, guys. Hey guys, I put the bindi in the frying pan and I'm going to fry this one until it becomes crisp. Hey guys, can you see the bindi? It started becoming crisp and brown in color, and it's time to remove from the pan. And I'm going to keep it this one in the plate, guys. Hey guys, take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. I added some cumin seeds and I'm going to add some asafoetida, the ink powder, and I'm going to add this onion. So in the experimental cooking, guys, you can do whatever you want. So I added some onion and I'm going to fry this onion until it becomes brown. Okay guys, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder into this and salt up to your taste, how much salt you want. And you have to mix these things together. Here guys, I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoon of 1 to 2 tablespoon of besan into this. And I'm going to mix. Hey guys, it's time to add the tomato. I'm adding the tin tomatoes, guys. If you have a fresh tomato, you can add the fresh tomatoes. What you have to do, you have to grind it in the mixie along with ginger and garlic. Then you have to add. But this is the easy one, no need to grind anything. And I'm going to mix this one. The onion, tomato, the besan, everything. It gives a nice flavor in this sabji. I think so. So let's see how it comes. Because this is the first time I am also making this sabji. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. It gives a nice taste in this sabji. And you have to mix. I added the bindi along with the masala, guys, and I'm going to mix, give a good coating for the bindi with the masala, these masalas. Hey guys, my sabji is ready, and I'm going to put it in this serving bowl. So my bhindi sabji is ready, guys. So this is a quick video of how to make bhindi sabji in my experimental cooking. So I showed how to make the bhindi sabji. So this is the first time I'm making, guys. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. And this sabji you can have with any bread. Apply some butter in the bread and you can have this sabji, or even with roti or rice, anything, guys. So see you soon. Bye.